beautiful people. My name is MissRay and thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go and check out my other videos as well. I like to bring you a video once to twice a week, usually on Mondays and Fridays. This channel is devoted to all things beauty. My videos consist of fashion hauls, product reviews, and makeup tutorials. I like to bring you a video every Monday on a online shopping haul, whether it be from Shein, Romwe, Wish, whatever those big online producers are that have such cheap clothing.
Oh, that stuff is so cheap.
And you wonder, is that legitimate or is that a big scam? I love to do those videos and I love to make sure you guys spend your money wisely because you work hard for it and you want to spend it well. You don't want a bunch of junk. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can look forward to those videos. And I thank you so much and I will see you guys soon. Bye.